It's been exactly 60 days. Yeah, 2 whole months since devlog 1. Where was I? Well, life got incredibly busy, things piled up, and honestly, multiplayer game development is an absolute beast that will make you question your life choices. But I am finally back, and a lot has changed under the hood. First things first, I started testing cross-platform play between my laptop and my phone. My original goal was to let them play together seamlessly over local Wi-Fi or mobile hotspots. Local network multiplayer between a PC and a mobile device is a literal nightmare. Mobile OS permissions completely block UDP broadcasts, hotspots intentionally mute local traffic, and keeping IP addresses synced across totally different platforms locally just broke constantly. It's a massive rabbit hole that was wasting way too much development time. So, the new plan, cross-platform play is 100% still happening, but it will be strictly through a dedicated online server architecture. You'll still play laptop versus phone, but you'll just connect to a global server lobby online instead of wrestling with your home router. Then came the worst part of development so far, the bug era. Every single time a match finished loading, the entire screen would violently flash pure white for a split second before showing the map. It felt like getting flashbanged in real life. I realized it was a rendering race condition. The loading screen was hiding a frame before the 3D camera fully initialized, forcing Godot to render its default blank environment void. I fixed it by forcing a double frame delay, await get_tree_parens.process_frame, to keep the curtains closed until the camera is 100% ready. But fixing that broke something else. On mobile devices, players would join a match, the main menu would slide away, and then nothing. Just stuck in an empty void, looking at the skybox. Because mobile devices are slower, they were completely missing the server's map broadcast or getting trapped in complex threaded loading loops. To fix this, I ripped out the overcomplicated multi-threaded loading bars and built a concrete client-driven handshake. Now when a client connects, they knock on the server's door, ask for the exact map path, load it instantly, and tell the server, "Hey, I'm ready, spawn my character." No more freezing. But even with the bugs fixed, running a Godot 4 3D game on a phone was an absolute slideshow at first. Before optimizing, the lag was unplayable. I was literally getting like 5 to 10 frames per second. It was a total disaster. Godot 4 defaults to the forward plus rendering backend, which looks gorgeous on a desktop graphics card, but completely melts a mobile GPU. I switched the project backend over to compatibility mode, which uses OpenGL ES3, stripped out heavy screen space filters like real-time glow and ambient occlusion, and recompressed all the heavy textures down to VRAM-friendly formats. The difference is night and day. It is running a lot better now, and we finally have a smooth, stable frame rate on mobile. It took 2 months of fighting network protocols, synchronization race conditions, and heavy mobile optimization. And yeah, accepting defeat on the local LAN feature. But the core engine foundations are finally rock solid. Laptop and mobile can smoothly talk to each other online, load into maps perfectly, and maintain a playable frame rate. Now that the technical hell is out of the way, devlog 3 is going to be all about the fun stuff. Designing new game modes, polishing the combat, and building out the actual maps. Thanks for sticking around after the 2-month radio silence. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment on what mode I should build next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Much sooner than 60 days this time, I promise. Also, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. I promise to read them. Thank you.